In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly log into your Microsoft account and navigate through a series of tasks that include accessing Microsoft Word online and utilizing its review features. We'll start right from the beginning. First, let's go to the official Microsoft website. This is where everything begins. Once you're there, you'll notice a Sign In option. Clicking on this will lead you towards entering your digital realm within Microsoft. Now it's time to sign into your account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. This should be the email you used when you initially set up your Microsoft account. It's a straightforward process. Type your email into the designated field and then hit Next. After submitting your email, you'll need to enter your password. Remember, your password is your key to unlocking all Microsoft services, so make sure it's entered correctly. If you've forgotten it, don't worry, there's always an option to reset it. Once you've entered your password, click on Next to proceed. Following your sign-in, Microsoft often asks if you want to stay signed in. If you're using a personal device, clicking Yes can be a convenient choice, allowing you to bypass the login process in future sessions. However, if you're on a public or shared computer, it may be safer to skip this step. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main page of your Microsoft account. This is where you can access various Microsoft services, but for now we're interested in the Microsoft Office suite. Look for the waffle icon. It's usually located at the top corner of the screen. Clicking on this icon reveals a grid of Microsoft's online applications, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. Let's move on to Microsoft Word, as that's our primary focus today. Click on the Word icon to launch the online version of this famed word processor. Upon entering Word, you're greeted with options for starting a new document or opening an existing one. For this tutorial, assume we have a document named Sample Document. Go ahead and open this document. Navigating the toolbar at the top, you'll find the Review tab. This is particularly useful for editing and proofreading purposes. Click on Review, and several options will appear, including one of the most indispensable tools, spelling and grammar. Activating this feature allows Word to scrutinize your document for any spelling or grammatical errors. It's an automated way to ensure your document is polished and professional. Now suppose you're working in an environment where continuous grammar and spelling suggestions can be more of a distraction. In that case, Word offers the flexibility to hide these suggestions. This allows you to focus on the content first and turn your attention to editing later without any interruptions. To encapsulate, today's walkthrough covered how to log into your Microsoft account, access Word online, select a document, and efficiently use the review feature to enhance your document's quality. Remember, the pathway to proficiency with these tools is practice and exploration, so feel free to dive in and explore what Microsoft Word Online can offer beyond what we've discussed. Whether you're drafting an important email, compiling a report, or just jotting down a few notes, understanding how to navigate and utilize Microsoft's suite effectively can streamline your tasks and boost productivity. Until next time, keep exploring and stay savvy with your tech skills.